What happens if I go back to work, and how will that affect my workers' compensation case? My name is Pyrros Serres, and I'm an attorney that handles workers' compensation cases here in the state of New York. That's a question that I'm often asked by my workers' compensation clients. What happens when I go back to work? What will happen to my case? Well, there's a couple of different answers to that question. Some people, they get injured, they're out for a period of time, and they want to try to go back to work to see if they can tolerate doing their job and getting back with their lives, but they're not quite sure. Well, first of all, I always tell my clients that ask that question, first go back to your doctor, speak to your doctor about what you're capable or not capable of doing, and get the proper medical clearance before you go back to your job. Some jobs require more heavy physical activities than others, and you want to know medically that this is a good idea from your doctor. Once you go back to work, obviously we have to notify the workers' compensation insurance company that you've returned to work. If you receive any workers' compensation checks for the period of time after you've returned to work, I always tell my clients, don't cash those checks. They need to be sent back to the insurance company. Secondly, I always tell my clients, keep a diary or logbook of any additional days that you may lose from work because of your injuries. So if you go back to work, but you miss days here and there because of your injuries, those missed days from work can be or will be a part of your claim for additional benefits. Sometimes people return to work and then they have to stop working because they just can't tolerate the physical activity required of the job. If that happens, you got to go back to the doctor, get yourself checked out, and we need to get a medical report from your doctor indicating the degree or the level of your disability. So even if you go back to work, it doesn't mean that that's an end to your case. You can continue to get treatment even if you're working, and the case can resume if you lose additional days from work. And you may be entitled to extra benefits even if you don't stop working because of your injuries. If you have any questions about your workers' compensation case, I want you to pick up the phone. Please give me a call. My name is Pyrros Serres. My phone number is 718-626-1004. Thank you.